till like stop here or something.
And you were just losing it over the Star Wars dance. I went and found it on YouTube. I think it was actually the longest thing I've seen in my life. I think Daisy actually just couldn't help it. That's so funny.
That was like the hardest thing ever.
That was the hardest ever. Yeah. She's really good though.
Because also what I was expecting to start
That was remix. Yeah.
I'll be few graphics
The Star Wars theme, but it was remix.
yeah, and they had like
there's nobody here, so it wasn't
and
really-
not like
It
fell off.
wasn't even hip hop. It was just like.
It was
I think we should find it again on the. I have to find it on YouTube.
I'll find it.
Yeah. Right now.
I'm gonna get it ready for later.
Okay.
Otherwise we'll forget.
Yeah.
And then
That was so funny, but Meryl basically got to the same time. Oh yeah. It was what you said previously.
I feel like I'm now the last person to know about the whole movement thing. Because if Lauren and Summer were told on Friday, that means Shelly was told on Friday.
Well, I've got the time because it's 50 something.
Okay. We'll be ready then.
And dinner?
No.
Oh yeah, I think you should see it.
Why wasn't I told on Friday?
Maybe probably said
It was before.
Yeah, but Summer wasn't working on Friday.
She's autistic. She's ginger. Didn't even say our names.
Oh yeah.
Really pissed me off. It's rude.
It's just, it's a joke between us lot, like joke with her, like she's
We're so close and we've got like 10 jokes. Yeah, but it's just so it's like so funny. This is Daisy, Abby, and Daisy, this is Jess. My housemates, yeah. My housemates.
No, you say, yeah, you say, support you. Just go and do it at night.
It was alright. The main door to the toilets was like open.
It was downstairs.
It was, yeah. But like, it was the main door, which is like a solid wooden door, and it was like jammed open. And then you went through another door, but it was like glass panels, so you basically see into the girls' toilets, which is
I always forget that it's so
it's like they have the heat on.
oh, that's like
you.
sweet actually.
This one.
It's the longest day.
That's very good.
coming to.
I went to.
Don't know if it's Belfast or Lisbon.
Yes, and then you were that one. Now it's gone.
Well,
Yeah.
not far behind.
Yeah, they really are. But then the SSE arena, which is the big arena in Belfast, is now being bought over by the O2. So it's now the O2
Yeah,
arena.
that by Titanic, is it?
Yeah. It's not going to be the O2 arena. It's been bought over. Because it used to be the Odyssey, then it was the SSE, and now it's going to be the O2.
Yeah, I got to go back to Belfast. I like to.
One closest to the station.
One place is
It's still in the KT. It's when I'm also KT. There's enough residents. Yeah.
one on the outskirts of Dublin,
It's because it's the borough. Yeah, but I'm not in KT. I just like KT.
New North. Yeah, I don't know how we're getting there. Yeah, well, see, my dad refused to take us there, but he's offered a lift to my mum and my brother to take them to the airport in Dublin to go to Dubai. I'm like, I thought you were speaking to my mum, and he was like, yeah, well, thought it was just nice to offer, and I was like, right, dead on. Fucking giving me shit about how he's not talking to my mum anymore, and then he fucking offers him a lift to fucking airport.
It's like one is a surf one and two is an alpha.
Yeah, Cody is staying at no, he's staying in a new doggy sitter place.
Was he not staying at the usual? Or they gone out overnight?
She's away on holidays or
What's
something.
going on with that? Is that RRP?
No, as far as I know, school. She hasn't really mentioned the rules anymore.
Cody looks like a lot.
But no,
I
Cody.
thought that's what she was.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That's what she said when we were.
Yeah, but no, apparently he's going to this new person. Was he going this week? He's been once before, and then I think he might have been doing an overnight one this weekend, or something to do this weekend, or something. I don't know.
To be fair, I can't see Cody disliking anything.
Well, to be frank, when I worked, the first day I moved over here, Cody escaped from a new doggy sitter place because the normal doggy daycare wasn't available. She was on holidays, so my mum had to get a new person for that time that they were moving me over here. And then he escaped from their house and got hit by a car. He died.
Yeah.
So, and then the first time he went to the doggy daycare, the one they love now, she has a 8 foot gate or something. He jumped over it and tried to escape too. Luckily she caught him, but he needs these new places. He needs to know these new places before he actually goes. Yeah. But he loves going to SWR. I participated every year. He loves going to SWR. We met to SWR and he's like, yes, we're
Yeah, we
going.
went past that service, didn't we? Or was that the
Our old place.
old place? Yeah.
I was gonna say, I thought I would really like
Why did you pick the front?
Why didn't?
Yeah, that's online. We just drive like this. Oh no. Really sweaty hands. Yeah. Thursday, yeah. Next 2 Thursdays. And I'll see after that. I don't have booked anymore after that.
We'll have to get him to film. So I'll see you.
You can just take me out in your car.
Did I put that ready?
Or before. Yes, I can see for a bus.
Oh, shit.
I love the way there's like parking zones. And it's not like a housing estate. Like. But they are nice, to be fair.
Yeah, totally.
Nice. I don't recognise this at all. Oh, I recognise it.
It's up my station, yeah, okay. That's a little bus journey, that wasn't it? That's a little bus journey.
If there wasn't a sun, yeah, it'd be great.
Yeah, that makes sense. I guess it's a lower person.